Hey DIYers! Today on Make Your Mark, we are printing napkins on my gel press using fall foliage from my backyard. And to make these fabric napkins washable, we are using DecoArt's SoSoft fabric paints. These are going to be the perfect addition to my fall table. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's print some napkins on my gel press. You'll want to work quickly after you pull the paper because you still want the paint to be wet in order for it to print on the fabric. The hectograph, also known as a gelatin duplicator or jellygraph, is a printing process dating from the 1800s that involves transfer of an original prepared with special inks to a gelatin pad, and it was used long before the invention of the Xerox machine. I would love it if you would take a second to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hello, because you know what? I love it when you stop by and say hello. I really do. If you don't feel like sewing the edges of the napkins, you can use pinking shears and something called fray check. Fray check is a very light glue for fabrics that keeps the edges from fraying, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to DecoArt and gel press in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.